Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to PEIPEI Update today. And right now you are making some little bit of a move and you haven't really broken down just yet. And it does look like you still are in a little bit of a suspense right now. So I'm just going to shift into the 15 minutes time frame and try to figure out what is really going on with this pattern right now. So you're trying to come, and I'm just going to talk about the 15 minutes time frame. So you do have a little bit of ascending triangle and it's just moving like this, and I'm going to tell you the maximum time you guys have to wait. So I'm just going to drag the line up here and drag the line up right over here. So 28th of July, today is almost like 24, 25. So very soon you're going to see a decision pending right over here. Now if you end up breaking above, then you have yourself a nice good opportunity just to get a small scalping here, and you may actually touch 4158, but that's not good enough to continue higher. You need to break above here and then go to the upside. So that's going to be a trade of nearly 21%. Now however, if you end up breaking down, then your next technical target again pushes you all the way down to 2814, and then from here probably even lower down 1700. Now let's look at the weekly, because the weekly is shaping up to be a little bit bad. So you're noticing that on the weekly you have this red doji in the middle. Now the red doji basically means a decisive candle, so be careful, because after an uptrend, when you have a decisive candle like this, it may actually start to push down one more time. So what is it going to be? Okay, wait until you have time until 28th of July, and you have the time to really save the day. And if you save the day, then you're looking for a push up of the ascending triangle to 4158. Otherwise, if you break down you go. And that's all for the video. I'm going to see you the next one. Love, peace.